Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. I've missed you guys so much. It has been a nutty summer, and I do apologize that I haven't had any videos out recently, but I'm back at it. So we've been busy with concerts all summer long, which is one of the reasons why we haven't had a chance to do anything and definitely not record. But in order to do these concerts, we had to build a stage. Not gonna lie, it was a lot of fun, mainly because I did none of the work. I just sat back and watched. Are you happy?
She better be. She knocked it over the car.
What you doing?
Well, we don't have those out yet.
Hi. They don't have them out yet?
Usually Nikki's got my nuts in her purse. Now Kate's stitching them in the curtains. Jeez.
You no longer own your nuts, David.
I no longer own my nuts. For once, my wire's even long enough.
Good?
Did that excite you? Uh-oh. That one's not long enough. Damn it. WTF.
You got this. I've got faith.
Mm-hmm. I'm a sound and lighting guy now.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
So the concerts were a huge part of our summer, and I have to say they were remarkable. We had so much fun. It was so insanely busy, and we were so insanely worn down by the time it was all over with. But we pulled it off. We pulled off a number of concerts in a very short period of time, and I hope to do it again next summer. Maybe more or maybe less concerts, but over a longer period of time. But we had some pretty big names. I can't even, Mudmen, we had Elliot Brood, we had Ashley McIsaac, Ron Sexsmith, the Great Lakes Swimmers, the Sky Diggers, the Good Lovelies, Cheap Thrills, who else? I'm looking at the signboard. Adam Wendler, Ivan Rivers, Twin Fin, Weekend Never Ends, Cherry Garcia, Steve Dumont. The list goes on and on and on, and we had such a blast. It was insane. So the Ashley McIsaac concert is like literally, I think, three days away now. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 days away. And we are sorting out parking right now because we have a number of tickets sold. So we want to make sure that we have ample parking just in case everybody brings their own car, which is highly unlikely, but just in case. David is notorious for using what we have to make things work, and he always makes it look so cool. So we had some hop poles kind of set aside for a one-day hop yard expansion, which I'm not super keen on. So we're using them. And he's asked me to make sure that everything is level and lined up, and I'm massively failing already. Failing. Not 100% my fault. He did put it there, but I was directing him, so that's my bad. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just getting ready, parking ready, stage is set up. We just have to wait for sound guys to come and sort out all their lighting and all that fun stuff that I don't understand at all, but they do. That's their job, so they will get that sorted out, and we'll just make sure that our ticket holders are happy, and that's the biggest thing. Fun times at River Road. Waits for no one. Whoops, maybe I'm supposed to be over there. And so there you have it, folks. Parking. Just like that. her up. And of course, with the brewery being as busy as it was, we didn't have a lot of extra time, which meant that we didn't have a lot of extra time to do farm chores and stuff around the farm. And unfortunately, it still needs to get done. Those things wait for no one. And it was pretty insanely busy trying to fit it all in, but we did get it in. And there's a few things that happened over the summer that I'll maybe wait till the next video to show you. It's that time of year again. Well, it's that time of month anyway. Not like that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty funny. You are in the wrong spot, Turkey. Mo, you got a friend. Mo, who's your friend? We had a new addition to the farm. So he's supposed to be to the brewery, and he is going back there. Right now he's living in my house because we need to work with him a little bit before we put him in the brewery. He is a working animal. He is here for a purpose, and it was necessary just because the winter's coming and we didn't want any extra little other unwelcome visitors in the brewery. So we got Kevin. Kevin is a treat. He's a little spastic and a little bit strange, but we love him nonetheless.
Okay? This is the room you have to protect.
At all costs.
At all costs. All these bags stay.
Mom!
You These are what you are here to protect. Okay? No mice are allowed in this room.
Is that your pep talk?
That's my pep talk. No mice in that room, okay?
It was really important because we were so busy and we have one child that's still quite young, and we don't get to spend as much time with her as we would like. She's young, but she's still old enough that she can maintain and take care of herself. She's 12. But we don't spend, like, the boys, and it's hard to the boys had us kind of all to themselves for a longer period of time. And then we opened the brewery and started bringing animals onto the farm and crops and all the fun things that take away your summers. She didn't really get to have that special time with us over the summers. And so we really wanted to make a point of doing things with her this summer. And this summer we decided to take her away for a couple days. So we went up to Wyerton area and spent some time with her there, just the three of us. It was remarkable, and it was actually really well coordinated. I mean, not coordinated, but we managed to fit a lot of things into a very short period of time and spent some really great quality time with her. It's funny when you spend time with just one of them. There's a lot of things that they wouldn't necessarily talk about or say when it was the whole family. So it was really nice to have that quality time with her for sure. And Wyerton's beautiful. That whole area up there is beautiful. Sauble Beach, Wyerton, Owen Sound. It's gorgeous. Look up. Look way up. Thanks again for joining, guys. I really appreciate all of your love and support and kindness that I get on this channel. So I will definitely be posting some more videos here shortly. Thanks for being patient. Patience was my new favorite friend this summer because I definitely needed it. Yeah, so stay tuned. There's some great things that are coming up, and I'll be hopefully staying on top of my videos now that summer's over and I have a clue as to how to organize my life. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great one. Cheers.
Oh, there's my big girl. I'm my big girl. What do you think? What do you think, my big girl? Well, Chris
He's like, nope. Holly. The guy's trying to touch me.